Wait, this is Wagyu beef. Let's see what's the real talk reaction. Lasa ma? Nako, di yata malasahan. Neng. AM, what tastes like?
Oh, it's so
Wagyu beef. Paano yun eh?
Yum.
Good?
Ah, okay. Lambot.
Ma, what tastes like? Ako naman na magte-taste.
It's only this.
Oishi desu.
What tastes like?
Oishi. Tomodachi sayang oishi.
Hi. Ayos pala. Mas masarap nga ka sa normal beef.
Just bite it off.
Okay, thank you. Masarap. Mga nangangain ng Wagyu. Wagyu beef before we go for hiking. Yeah.
How many are you buying?
Dalawa. Wagyu beef on the stick. Pakukuha mo lang ng pera sa ATM eh. Okay. Ano naman? What do you call that one?
No, it's
Kamote.
What do you call that one?
Potato ice cream. Sweet
Potato ice cream.
yeah, purple potato ice cream.
Purple potato with ice cream. Arigatou gozaimasu.
It's not artificial. It's just like real.
And that's real color.
It's a real color. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
It's like I think from Okinawa, you know, purple potato there.
Ako na lang.
Don't worry
Excuse me.
about it. Don't worry about it.
There's a sea at the south side. If you want to see it outside. The sea.
Okay. The real talk reaction. Why like that? Why like that?
No good.
Ayun pa, kung dyan. Oh, tapos sa basurahan. Ano ba naman tao to? Mukha ng tissue. Meron pa.
Potato. Mako ha. Hanap ka dito. Ma. Arigatou gozaimasu. Reaction. Real talk reaction. Let's see what tastes like. Yung tunay, ah? Oh. Check. Kulang pala man. Real life reaction. Good. Mana? Pa. Ayun. Let's see. Akala ko patatas, sweet potato pala. Sarap? Pwede. Good. Okay.
Joke.
Are you the owner? You're the owner?
Owner.
He's the owner. Okay.
Dito kami. Almost done.
Almost done na nga naman. Pero nagustuhan ah. Masasayo mo Neng? Good?
Perfect.
How about you? Good? Taste? Oh, good. Do you like it? How about you? Do you like?
Yeah. Awesome.
Awesome. Have a look.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's almost empty. So that's the evidence, right?
Yeah.
One more, check one more.
It.
Good.
You.
Oh.
Minion. Minion.
Ano mo lang? Oh, empty na. Okay. See you guys.